there's a company called Cognify, Cognify, and if you Google their video, it's titled "The Future of Incarceration." And if you commit a crime in the future, now remember they can read your thoughts. So there is going to be a point in time, and I do know of one case where he was put in prison for 5 years for a thought crime.
A
Now,
thought? Did you say a thought crime?
a thought crime, a
Bro.
thought crime.
And by the way, shout out to Desi. She just dropped that link, and I'm going to put that link down right there beside you. But okay, keep going.
Yeah. So what Cognify is going to do, it is basically if you commit a crime, okay,
Mm-hmm.
if you hurt someone or something, that's legitimate. If you do it just to be spiteful, vengeful, whatever it may be, whatever that reason is, you commit a crime and you're guilty of it.